Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, it still looks like a wave 5 to me, but to me, it's still no evidence that it's over. It's actually very, very impulsive up still. I have an original target at around 155, 156, which may actually not even hold. It potentially could actually go a lot higher than that. Heading down to the weekly time frame is where you can see that we are approaching the 100% Fibonacci extension right around the 155 area. Now, there's really no guarantee that that's going to hold. This kind of looks to me like a 1, 2, 3. It potentially could go beyond that point and stretch out to a higher Fibonacci extension level to finish off this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily, if I do see a Fibonacci bounce, I do see a breaker structure to the downside after the Fibonacci bounce, then that would definitely turn me into a seller. But until I actually see this picture right here, I am definitely looking for buys on shorter time frames. It could easily blow right through this 100% Fibonacci extension level and just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely still looking for longs a little more cautiously because we are getting very close to that fib level. Like I said, if we do get a fib bounce, if we do get a break of structure, I will definitely become a seller. But until we actually do get that picture, I am looking for longs because this could easily just bounce off a fib level, make another ABC correction, make another higher low, and just keep on trending up. So I personally am definitely still looking for longs, at least until the market tells me otherwise, which it definitely has not done so yet. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely still be looking for longs, at least until we get to around that 155 area. And then I guess if you are a scalper, like a short time frame trader, and you see a breaker structure to the downside, you could definitely be looking for shorts. But you have to keep in mind that this structure breakdown here is what's going to tell you that the trend is down on the higher time frames. These little minor structure breaks are definitely not going to tell you anything except for that the last push up is over, which means that it could just be another ABC correction, and it could be another continuation of the uptrend, like I was explaining on the higher time frames. So until the higher time frames tell me otherwise, I'm definitely looking for longs. If you are a scalper, then you could look for shorts after a break of structure, but even then I would be a little cautious because it is likely that it could just make another correction and another continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and access to all my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.